Hello Anna, congratulations. I just wanted to say hey, and I'm so happy right now for you that it finally came, this big day for you. And yeah, I don't know what to say. Mazel tov, congratulations, alles Gute, pozdravляю, just everything. Yeah, I just hope that you have an amazing day today. I wish you all the best, that you stay healthy, that you are that you have the best days in your life right now. I know that this part is so important for a woman, and so yeah, I just wanted to give you the best wishes. And I'm right now in Moscow, so yeah. Moscow says everything good, like hello to you and Hamburg, and yeah, I will never forget you, my dear. You're amazing, positive person, and yeah, I really will love you, and I hope you will never forget us. And yeah, have an amazing day today. Bye, see you soon, I hope.